all this for money? So what, you could go to the
Maybe
Caymans?
protecting the graduation ceremony. Oh, but what's wrong? Did you lose your nerve along with your aim?
I don't know. You tell me.
You want me to kill him?
I'm not paying you to keep him alive. Let's get to work.
Your beef is with me, Damien. So let's fight. You and me, league style. 2 swords, 0 magic.
A duel. How quaint.
Ray!
But you do realize, I don't need magic to kill you.
Funny. That's what Oliver Queen said right before he killed you.
You think Briggs crazy? Take over a whole section of town? I know he's crazy. I don't know what he's got planned, but whatever it is, I'm in.
Who the hell are you?
I'm the justice you can't run from.
You hurt a friend of mine.
Let him go.
You can't save a city with forgiveness.
You don't have to forgive him. You do have to let him live.
Bitch, knew you didn't have me.
I really don't like that word.
Sarah! Get down!
Interesting technique. League of Assassins, am I right?
I've been waiting a long time for this.
Long time for what?
To kill you.
Try to, you mean.
Nice outfit. Except for I would have gone with fishnets.